Hello, and welcome. I'm looking forward to taking you through the meal planner. So it says here click the image to be taken to your online app for the meal recipe bundle or the planner. So you'll notice there's two images here, okay? Now, if you're the type of person that just loves to print things out and you'd like to have paper in your hand, feel free to jump over here and print out the recipe planner and the shopping list, or you've got the links here. But otherwise, if you like to have something on your iPhone or your iPad or on your desktop, this is the best way to go. Click the image. Then you're going to be taken into what we call is the little app. So this is fantastic, mobile friendly. You can have this on your phone as well, or your iPad, whatever you've got. There is 4 weeks here. So the planner, I was going to give you 3, and I'm like, no, give the extra week because you guys might really enjoy it. So first and foremost, you can go up to your shopping list, and if you've got it on your phone and you're going shopping, you see here week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. You can just go and mark everything, okay? So you can just tick it off as you go. Now, the shopping list is for one person. Just be really mindful of that. So it's going to give you all of the ingredients for one person. So if you want this for 2, you'd want to double it up, okay? Now, you can export that as well. Now, when you come down here, we have the nutrition planner from Sunday to Saturday because I know a lot of people have calorie controlled diets. So you can have a look at your macronutrients to see if it fits within the ballpark of what you're working with. And if you're not following anything, have fun with this because this one's a great tool. It's heart health, so it's great for your heart. It's great for losing some weight. And yeah, I just love this one. And I'm looking forward to doing it with you. Now, we have tried to organize the meal plan so that you're not always consistently planning every single day. Like there's meals that are carried over so you can double up the batch and have it as a second option the next day. So for instance, if we have a let's look at this lunch. Okay, so we've got the simple grilled salmon. If you click in here, it gives you the macronutrients again. It does give you the preparation time and the cooking time, and it also reminds you 1 serving per meal per person. So this has got 2 because it's leftover. So we're cooking 2 meals for leftovers for tomorrow. So if you were going to cook this for 2 people, you would want to increase that to 4 if you wanted leftovers for yourself and maybe your partner for the next day. It increases the ingredients so that is all done for you, but just remember it does not increase per serving because this is per person, okay? So it's got all of your directions and everything there. So super, super easy, super, super friendly. All right. So that's all you need to really know in relation to the navigation of like all of these. They're all the same. Increase the meal size, take it down if you're just having a plain, you just want to make 1. And yeah, and let us know how you feel with the bundle as well. When we go back, so when we come back here, you'll notice that there is another option. So you can click and have a look at it this way as well. So if we clicked here, just say share. All right. So depending upon the way that you like to view things, you can do this both ways. It's a little bit harder, I feel, this way on a computer to navigate, on a phone to navigate this, but you might find it really, really simple. So feel free to have a look. You can scroll through and you can click on things here. You might say, the cauliflower, let's try that. It'll actually take you through to there. So whatever you click on, it is going to take you there. But I like the left-hand side because you can actually just click from here. You can go, right, Cajun shrimp, vegetable, sheep pan. Yum, that sounds great. Let me have a look at that. It'll take you straight to that recipe, gives you everything you need, and also has the cooking time and the macronutrients down the bottom. So have a bit of a play, see what you prefer, and Yeah, it's as simple as that. So I look forward to hearing how you go. If you do make anything, make sure you pop them up in the group, like your pictures and different things, because we'd love to hear how you're going with it. And also, yeah, get a feel for what you like as well. All right, take care and namaste.